industry is constantly evolving, and it's through activities like this that you can not only test your knowledge and creativity but also refine your ability to think critically, adapt quickly, and work as a team under pressure.
Sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan.
Whether you're here to sharpen your skills or to gain a deeper understanding of the complexities involving in organizing events, today it is all about learning through collaboration that requires cooperation and constant communication.
Now I turn to you, the future leaders of this industry. You will face new challenges like climate change, new technology, and changing travel trends. I encourage you to think big and build solutions that last.
Sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura.
Ang kultura ang siyang tanging natirang nakatindig na pinagmamalaki ng ating komunidad. Ang kultura natin, napunta dito ang mga turista upang makasalubong tayo, upang maramdaman ang ating kultura, upang sisirin ang ating katauhan. Kaya naman dapat natin pag-aralan kung sino tayo.
When we offer authenticity in experiences, we invite travelers or tourists to immerse themselves in the very heartbeat of the place, its culture, its people, its stories. This is how we go beyond borders to build bridges of understanding, leaving behind memories that last a lifetime.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit.
Tourism is more than the act of exploring new places. It is a journey of creating meaningful connections. It is about embracing the richness of global perspectives and integrating them into the unique essence of local realities where tradition flourish and stories are brought to life.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit kay raming dahilan upang magdiwang tayo ay pinag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Welcome to MICE 2024!
Sa tatlong dako, binubuo ng mahigit 7,000 pulo.
Ang alam ko lang, may pa-seminar kayo. Siyempre, campus director, iimbitahin. Akala ko ganun lang. I go here kasi I want to recognize all the efforts of the students of Santa Cruz Campus, tourism students of Santa Cruz. I observe habang narito ako, simula sa labas, bago ko pumasok, kung paano nyo i-handle yung event, ay napakagaling.
This event is the final simulation of the course Introduction to Meetings, Incentives, Convention, and Exhibitions or MICE of our DSTM fourth-year students. So this event presents a unique opportunity for all of the students to engage in a hands-on experience that reflects the challenges and details of the complex role of event planning and management.
Lagi magsisimula muli.
stated, this eagerly anticipated event will not only evaluate the students' event planning skills, but also provide us with industry specialists that would not only here to discuss the vital role of tourism and hospitality play in fostering global connections, but also to recognize the significant impact these industries in our communities.
Tourism is not just about today, but it's about shaping a brighter tomorrow through legacy building. We ensure that the connections we create and the impact we leave behind strengthen communities, preserve traditions, and inspire mutual respect and understanding for generations to come.
Lahing di pa pinuman, pinapayaman lagi.
So as we gather today, let us not forget, tourism is not about seeing the world. It is about connecting with it in a profound and meaningful ways.
Congratulations in advance in all of our BSTM fourth year students for the anticipated success of this event headed by your overall chairman, Ms. Jesslyn Shane Cruz.